Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Realme GT 8 Pro, OnePlus 15 and Oppo Find X9 Pro. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Display features. Realme GT 8 Pro comes with 6.79 inches AMOLED display, and the OnePlus 15 and Oppo Find X9 Pro come with 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. OnePlus 15 and Realme GT 8 Pro are powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Oppo Find X9 Pro comes with MediaTek chipset. Camera features. All three mobiles come with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, 3 speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.